Actually, pwede. Kung di lang dikit yung pato, he can pot the 2 ball and somehow disturb those balls right there. Ayan, oh, papunta na sana eh. Ang ganda. Very nice. Kaso nga lang, wala pa rin. Tsaka baka mag-double kiss nga lang dun sa 3 ball if ever. So now, trying to use the 5 possibly to hide the cue ball.
Hi. That's 1 ball.
Nako.
That purple 4 is gonna go that direction.
That's right, heading towards the corner. Nicely done.
Just gotta pray though that the red 3 doesn't go anywhere.
That's right. Or playing it off the 6 pa pwede rin. Pero
Ahoy!
yun, sinubukan nila yung combination, hindi nga lang nag-materialize. No, trying to hide this behind the 6. Ingat lang, syempre. From a kick shot, going for the combo. Nice. Ayaw pa din. Kala ko ayaw pa din eh.